Tonight I am getting ready to fight two people in the ring at the same time. This is the first time for me, so I've done a 1v1, but fighting two people at once is going to be something different. So I'm going to get ready and I will see you in the octagon. This is MMA, by the way, anything goes, so expect some fireworks. Here we go. Concept, everyone wants to see freaks fight, don't they? You know, it's alright seeing two hard men go at it, but to see a goth go against a goth, or a dwarf go against a dwarf, or, you know, just these crazy things, it's human nature to want to watch these things, and the fact that they're putting it on display and putting it on pay-per-view is just amazing. Right, 2v1 done. Oh, I tell you what, that was good fun. First two rounds, they were just running around. I thought, God damn it, they're going to do me on points here. Just little kicks and that, and by the end of the 3 rounds, I thought they were going to win on points. And I thought, sod this, went for one, and then one of them stupidly went in for the tackle. Jesus Christ, that was good. Picked him up, slammed him, bam, other one, bam, and then it was 1v1. It was good. Look, above anything, I just enjoyed myself, and I think, you know, I've put a lot of work in for me MMA this last sort of 7, 8, 9 months. So it's just nice to put a bit of it on display, even if it was for 5, 10 seconds. But there's so much more there, and I'm looking for another fight to prove that. So yeah, but happy. What do you think?
I thought it was great. Yeah.
You thought it was great?
Yeah. Like battering two little teenage Brits.
Yeah, it was good. Yeah. I enjoyed. That's why I enjoyed myself. Yeah, it was like beating up two yobs down the park, wasn't it? Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Big love.